Hey folks, Farm Marshall here, and I got a real quick story for you. I'm standing out here in the garden right above my patch of cantaloupes, and I noticed something about my cantaloupes the other day. Two or three of them were pretty close to getting ripe. They were looking yellowish, but I noticed one of them that had a little split on it, and that had me worried. Just like with a lot of fruit out here, sometimes you look at stuff and you see, oh, this tomato, this pepper plant has a spot, but it's not ready. What should I do? I kind of had the same situation. It still had some green on it, so it didn't necessarily look ready, but it was close. But we had a lot of rain that week. And so the next day when I went and looked at it, it had split. Hopefully you can see that well, but it had split right here. A nice big split. So if I didn't have the camera angle right, hopefully you can see the split here easier. But it still looked a little green. So I was kind of wondering, what should I do? Should I leave it and just hope that it ripens some more for the next couple of days, and hopefully it won't get messed up by splitting more or having bugs or whatever, or having some animal come in and eat it or bite off of it? Same things happen with tomatoes, peppers, plenty of other things in your garden. Things get spots and they're not ready. So I took a chance. I'm like, you know what? I either have to cut it and it's not going to be completely ripe, or I'm going to leave it out here and it's going to get eaten up by bugs. So actually I just pulled it right off the vine. It came off really easily, which was a good sign for me, because when they come off that easily, it means they're usually ripe. Despite the fact that there was a little bit of green on it, I cut it and this is what I saw. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So, and also you can see better here, the spot where I dug a little piece out to eat it and test it. Delicious. Fortunately, I didn't make the mistake of leaving it out here, because I'm pretty sure that that split was just going to get bigger and bigger, and the fruit could have been ruined in days easily. So just a little bit of advice: when you have a piece of fruit that is having a problem, don't be afraid to pick it if it's not quite big enough, or if it's not quite ripe enough. Some things will continue to ripen, and sometimes you might be surprised. They might be completely ripe. So let's get out there and get a little dirty. I'm going to get inside and eat this. And here's one more that looks like it's just about ready. Might pick this one tomorrow. It looks perfectly healthy. Oh yeah, this one's about ready to go off. And I have another one here that's, this could be a bit, but that's fine, because I also have this guy over here, which looks like, let's see. Oh, I see a little split there. So I'm probably gonna pick that one today. Definitely gonna pick that one today.